Here we are, the Angel Interceptor. I've glued the wings on. I've filled the bottom and the wing joints up, and the tailplane I've done as well. Here, I've had to do some rescribing on the bottom section of it, but there's not much panelling on the bottom apparently, so I've managed to get that done. The top panelling, however, I managed to get some of the lines rescribed onto the sides where I've had to fill and do a bit of sanding. But the P cutter, I can't get my P cutter in to the corners to finish the lining off right down to the bottom. So I'm going to have to use a knife or a pin or something to do that with. But that's as far as I've got with it so far. It's been sprayed silver so I can find out all the gaps and joints in it. Actually, I've just seen one. It's just here on the tail section, just underneath here. I've got a little pinhole. I'm going to have to fill that and resand that again. But again, I've got to rescribe the rudder on it as well. I thinned the nose down, by the way, as well. That's nice. That's down to more what the profile should be of this one. But that's about it for the moment. It's taken me about 3 days to do that. So that's it. Right, that's it for now. See you soon. Bye for now.